Dan Passarelli here. Well, we had a pretty darn strong day in the S&P 500 today, up almost 1.5%, closing near the highs of the day. And we see, if we go to the chart, we see a really big, long upward thrusting green candle busting back through that 21-day moving average. The news that was out today was really not too much for the broad market, just, of course, the Boeing news. We had Bostic speaking today, who didn't necessarily give any indications that would have led to a very bullish move. We are ahead of the CPI PPI numbers later this week, and that will definitely have a decisive impact on what the market thinks going forward. So it's just a bit of a risk-on mood. And, the market is optimistic about rate cuts. Bostic did say today in his speech that he expects rate cuts to take place in the third quarter of this year, which is much later than others were considering. So the beat goes on. We continue on tomorrow to see where this market takes us and what the mood is going forward. Hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.